Alright, just making a very quick video. I was wrapping up yesterday, the last video. I was projecting a buy, or it was buy basically in this area for a move into the mid 1250s. It got up to a little over 1253. I mean, that's close enough where you would look for a turnaround, and you obviously got that, where you had a very clear, if you look at a 1 minute chart on gold, this is gold. This is a 1 minute chart. This is where that high came in, a little 1253. Once you got this lower low, you're gonna get sellers coming in on any pullback, and that's what happened. And so once that happened, any pullback would have been a very good spot to close the long for about like a for about like a 45 pip trade, almost 50 pip trade. It just depends on where you got in or out. So. Just that's a wrap up for that. But this video is not about like a specific trade. It's New York afternoon, but it's just about a longer term development. You have a serious situation, which is like great for trading, I guess. Because I didn't want to go long on stocks with Dow in the 20,000 region. But now you have a very clear. This is the S&P 500. A very clear lower. I'm flipping through charts, so it's let me explain. This is a 4-hour chart. You can see this massive sell off here, this massive break, creating this big lower low. That's gonna bring sellers in on any pullback, and you're getting that now. So will that selling occur here? Well, that's a role reversal. That's one role reversal, meaning this prior support. That's one place it could be. It could be a bit higher, but regardless, I don't think that you're gonna see like a break of new highs without a break of new lows first. And I think that this has the possibility of being much bigger than a lot of people maybe are thinking. You have the similar situation in the Dow Jones, where you had a break and then basically a retest, a roll reversal there in the Dow. See, and you're getting the selling that you'd expect. And a lot of the trick is determining where that entry is. That entry makes sense if you look at the S&P and if you look at the Dow, and you look at Nasdaq. It's basically roll reversal on everything, and this is the Nasdaq, where you basically had a pullback and then it got back up, pulled back up to these prior lows, and now it's selling off. So the entry, the trick is the entry, and then make sure you have a valid stop above like a 786. Or if you're generous above this high in the Nasdaq, or and then just kind of adjust it for the S&P or Dow or whatever you're using. But this should provide some great trading opportunities, actually, enough to the point where like stocks are now certainly something that I'm really going to be looking at, and yeah, and I'm going to be looking for opportunities to go short. So that's my outlook for the next few weeks, and I think this is going to be pretty great. All right.